Hello, I'm Martin. We just got some Russian automatic knives, including certificates. Russian lever lock knife that lock and unlock with the lever in the open and closed position. A Russian lever lock knife to open with the lever it lock and to unlock it on the back side of the handle. A nice knife. A blade, cap lifter, fork, can opener and keyring and corkscrew. On the back and the front side are stainless steel bolsters. The handle is wood from Russian tool. A Russian stiletto. It don't have a security lock in the closed position, but it is possible to lock the blade a security lock with the keyring. I had never seen a Russian stiletto until now. It open as the Italian stiletto and using to the steel information on the blade: 0.95% carbon and 18% chromium. It's a stainless steel.